Dear students, today we are going to start new unit 2, free electron theory. The various property of the metals such as electrical and thermal conductivities, thermoelectricity, thermionic and photoelectric effects can be explained on the basis of this free electron theory. So here free electrons, it means the metal exhibits the so many number of the free electrons, and here the metal is exhibits some properties. Metals exhibit the following properties. The first property is that high electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity. So in a metal, free electrons are to be there in, and why the free electrons are to be there? Atom have configuration. Atom consisting the positively charged nucleus and negatively charged revolving around the nucleus. So here the atom is consisting the positively charged nucleus, and the electrons are revolving around the that nucleus. So this is the configuration of the atom. But in case of metals, the outermost of the electrons are the mobiles. It means these electrons are free. In the single atom, or in the single unit, the 10 raised to 23 free electrons are to be there. Free electrons are to be there. So these 10 raised to 23 free electrons, if we give a small amount of the temperature to the metal, then the kinetic energy of the electrons is increases. So here if we increase the temperature, then the conductivity is also increases. If we increase the temperature, then the conductivity is also increases. If the conductivity is, sorry, in the temperature the conductivity is decreases. It means here if the temperature is increases, then the conductivity of the metal is decreased. So example, we will take the example. We know that the electrical heater. So every day we are heating the electrical heater, and one of the day that heater is going to be break due to the reason of the temperature increase every day. So the every day the conductivity of the that material is goes on decreases. So that is the one of the property of this metal. It means the high electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity is used the increase in the temperature. So and next property is that the metals, all the metals are obeys the Ohm's law. That is, I is directly proportional to V, or according to this theory, J is directly proportional to the E. Why? Because we are finding the electrical conductivity here. So the J is equals to the sigma into E. Sigma is the electrical conductivity. When we will get electrical conductivity, when we will apply the electrical field on it, it means this is the metal. To this metal, if we applied the electric field, then we'll get the electrical conductivity. So this is the one of the property of the metal. Then third property is the metal Weidmann Frange law